Every morning, I wake up with one thought: what should I study today?
I open a chapter to study and then my mind jumps. Should I revise or move to a new topic? Should I do questions or PYQ? And just like that, I waste an hour just deciding what to do.
I sit with one chapter and tell myself I'll finish this in 2 hours, but after 3 hours, I'm still stuck on the same topic.
I tell myself I studied a lot today. I deserve a break. And that short break turns into hours of scrolling reels. It feels like I am lying to myself.
Revise every day. Solve 100 questions daily. Follow this topper schedule. Every day I get new advice, new strategies, and I feel lost. What if I am not preparing the right way? I knew I needed a system, something that tells me exactly what to do in this last 75 days and help me to track my progress. That's when I found MemoNeet Brahmastra last leave batch. For the first time, I don't have to waste my time in planning. My entire day is already structured. All I have to do is wake up and follow the plan.
Each task has a fixed limit using the time boxing method. Now I actually finish my syllabus on time. The strict system changes everything for me. Every day I complete my task, my streak continues. It's like a game. I don't want to break my streak, so I stay consistent without even realizing it.
Finally, a test series that actually matches needs level. The questions are 100% NCRT based with the right weightage and format.
For the first time, I feel in control of my NEET preparation. I'm not wasting time. I know I'm doing exactly what's needed to crack NEET.
1 year from now, I could be inside these college gates as an MBBS student.
Thousands of students like me improve their marks. If we can, you can too. Join MemoNeet's Brahmastra last batch.